Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am testing out another foundation review. So this is the L'Oreal Skin Paradise Tinted Water Cream. So I'm testing that out today. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this on YouTube the last couple of months. And I love a good tinted moisturizer type product for the summertime. So I'm very excited to try this out. So yeah, let's just get started. So first of all, I'm going to prime my face using the Barry M Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. Then I'm going in with the Max Factor Miracle Prep Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer using my Real Techniques stippling brush. Okay, so now for the foundation. So let's see what it says about it first. So it's a tinted water cream. It has Perfecting Healthy Glow. It has Caring Waters and Mineral Pigments inside of it. It's SPF 20. Mine's in the shade Fair 02. I tried to get Fair 01, which was the palest, but it was out of stock, so I've had to go for the next shade up. It contains water, aloe vera, ginger, witch hazel, and that's it, I think. And it quenches skin with moisture and tones up complexion for a perfecting healthy glow. It has a natural radiant finish and 24-hour hydration. So like I said, mine's in the shade Fair 02. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques buffing brush to apply it. Okay, so for first impressions, I actually really like it. I love the finish on my skin. It's like a natural tinted moisturizer, which I love in the summertime because I don't like to wear heavy foundations in the summertime when it's all hot and makes your face sweaty, whereas this is like a lightweight, natural finish, very glowy and hydrating moisturizer. Tinted moisturizer, and I really like that. So it's not full coverage, I would say light coverage. The colour match is pretty perfect, I would say. Maybe just a hint too dark, but perfect for the summertime. I actually think it's a really good colour match. And I really like the way it's looking on my skin. It looks so natural. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing foundation. It's like as if I'm just got a glowy moisturiser on. It looks so natural on me. So far, as a first impression goes, I get a big thumbs up. I'm not sure how well this will last throughout the day just because it is quite a hydrating foundation, so it might slip and slide, especially because I have combination oily skin. So I'm not sure about its lasting performance, but we shall see. It's really good so far and I really like it, so it gets a thumbs up from me. So I'm just going to finish up the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll come back with my thoughts. Okay, so now I have my full face of makeup on. So I just filmed a makeup tutorial which will be going up the week after this, hopefully. So yeah, my review on this foundation, definitely as a first impression, I think it looks flawless. Like I said before, it's a light coverage, but with a full face of makeup on, it builds the coverage anyway, so it's like light to medium, I would say. The colour match is perfect. It feels so amazing on your skin. It doesn't even feel like you're wearing anything. It just feels like you're wearing a moisturizer, which is so good. So as a first impression, I'm really impressed. Like normal with my foundation reviews, I will check back with you guys after 2 hours, 6 hours and 8 hours of wearing the foundation. But like I said before, because it's very hydrating, very water based, and I have combination to oily skin, I'm not sure how well it will last throughout the day. But I have set it all with powder, so we shall see. And like I said, this is a summer foundation for me, and I don't tend to wear makeup for very long throughout the summer, just because I can't stick it on my face because I'm so hot. But I also really love that it has SPF 20, which is essential for me in the summertime. So yeah, so far so good. So I will check back in with you guys after 2 hours of wearing it, and we'll see how it's looking then. So see you then. Okay, so it's been 2 hours now wearing the foundation, and honestly I can't really notice any change. I thought that my nose was getting a little bit oily, but not massively. So far so good, and I'll check back in another 4 hours then, which will have been 6 hours wearing it. So see you then. Okay, it's been 6 hours wearing the foundation, and I'm in total shock because I just checked in the mirror and there's hardly any change. The only thing is my nose is slightly oily, but nothing compared to a lot of other foundations. It's actually really, really good. I thought this foundation would be super oily because it's such a hydrating one, but it actually isn't. It just looks super glowy and naturally hydrating on my skin, and it's not even that oily on my nose because I do have some highlight on there as well. So considering, it's actually not that bad. I just think it looks the same as it did when I first applied it, which is bizarre because I've worn it for 6 hours. But yeah, it's really, really good. So I'm in shock, but I am going to keep it on for 2 more hours and we'll see how it's looking then. But it definitely gets a massive thumbs up so far. So yeah, see you in 2 hours. Okay, so it's been 8 hours wearing the foundation. I have changed because we are about to go out. And yeah, it's just looking really similar. The only thing is my nose has become a little bit more oily, but other than that, it's exactly the same, which I'm so shocked by, but super impressed by. So yeah, this foundation definitely gets a thumbs up from me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, so that completes my review of the L'Oreal Skin Paradise Tinted Water Cream. I hope that you liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!